Hi, I'm Chef Bob Neroni, and I have the great fortune of living on the Oregon coast with my wife, and today we're going to go ahead and cook seafood for eatoregonseafood.org. Let's get at it. Perfect example of Dover sole. What I'm going to do is going to prep this really quick. There's a center bone down here. It's actually more cartilage than bone, but I want to remove it, especially for our application. So I'm taking a sharp knife, I'm cutting on either side of it. Remove that, easy peasy. Let's just focus on one piece for right now. We have two really well seasoned sides. Since the belly side, which was this side, and that's the back, is more the presentation side, we're gonna go ahead and turn it over. Let's take this combination of some fresh bread that was cubed, Dungeness crab meat, some Parmesan, oregano, basil, basically some fresh herbs, enough olive oil to kind of keep it together. I'm gonna take the tail piece and fold it over. I'm gonna use that kind of as a platform to hold the whole thing together, and then we're just gonna roll it. Roll it, roll it. All right, so we have our sauce prepared. I'm gonna grab the sole that we had seasoned earlier. I'm gonna go right in the center there. A little bit of a space in between. Oh, look at that, but more importantly, smell it. All right, sauce in. I have to tell you, seafood gets a bad rap. It's one of the easiest things to cook at home, especially if you take your time and enjoy the process. All right, that sauce looks great. One more time, we've got Dover sole stuffed with crab, poached in a tomato sauce. We're gonna finish this with a little bit of basil pesto. Oh, my mouth is watering already. Go to eatoregonseafood.org for this and other great recipes from myself and chefs all over the state who, like me, support the fisher people who risk their lives every single day to bring it to the table. Bon appetito.